Okay viewers, you will see when I touch the arrows in the keyboard, the octopus did not move, right? So we have to select this right arrow, left arrow, up arrow and down arrow. When you type this, when you select this, then the octopus will move. Okay, then when you click the flag, the octopus will move and touch the star. The van sound, do you hear the van sound? Your score will increase and it's shown in this screen. Okay viewers, you can make what animals do you want? Fish, jellyfish, starfish, what you want. You have to drag this from backdrop to the stage, and you can make your own videos, own stories. When the octopus touch the star, you have get the scores. Okay viewers, this is make a chess game. In this, you have to select star, drag, go to random position. You have to give glide 1 second to random position and join this. When you click the flag, you can see how the stars will move. The stars will move in a random position fastly. Okay, you have to select what you like. Okay viewers, stop. When you click this red button, the video will stop. Okay viewers, octopus and star. You can make any other sprites you can like. This is make a chess game. Will you like this? Please like, comment and subscribe my channel. See you on the next video. Okay viewers, thank you very much. Hello viewers, welcome to my channel. Today I present the video Scratch programming make a chess game. Okay, let's go to this video. Here I delete the first. In this stage we have to drag a backdrop image. Choose a backdrop. Today I have to choose the underwater backdrop, underwater 1. Select underwater 1. In this stage you have to see the underwater backdrop stage. Then you have to choose a sprite. When you click this, you can select what sprite do you like. Today I have to click animals. I want octopus sprites. Here click this octopus. You can see the octopus sprites and select another sprites like star. Click animals. In search, when you type yes star, there is another 3 sprites. Select star. Okay viewers, here we choose 2 sprites. One is octopus and another one is star. First, octopus. Go to events blocks. Click when space key pressed. Drag into the script area. You have to give right arrow, left arrow, up arrow and down arrow. So, drag 4 when space key pressed into the script area. Then go to motion blocks. Here drag change x by 10. You have to choose change x by minus 10. Then drag change y by 10 into this when space key pressed. Here change this minus 10, change y by minus 10, change y by plus 10, change x by plus 10, change x by minus 10. Okay viewers, here when you click this button, you have to zoom your piece. Next, we have to give this playing game command. Go to event blocks, drag when flag clicked into the script area, then click control blocks, drag forever blocks underneath when flag clicked and drag if then blocks underneath forever blocks. Here go to sensing blocks, touching mouse pointer, drag these blocks and kept it in if then underneath if then blocks. You have to select star because in this second sprite you select star, that's why you have to type text star. Then go to variables blocks, make a variable. Here you have to type score. Text score and give OK. Then drag change my variable by 10. Drag these blocks underneath okay. And select score. Then go to sound, play sound ocean wave until done. Drag these blocks and kept it underneath change score by 1. You have to select any other sound. I want van sound. So go to sounds, click this sounds button, choose a sound. You have to search it wand. Text here wand. Select it. Then go to code. When you click this, click wand. This scripts areas for octopus. Then we have to go to star. click Events button, drag when flag clicked into the script area, then go to control blocks, drag forever blocks into the script area, then wait 1 second, drag wait 1 seconds inside forever blocks, then click motion blocks. Here you have to select click look blocks. You have to select hide underneath wait 1 seconds, because when you click this, when flag clicked, the star will hide and show. Again drag wait 1 seconds, then go to looks blocks, drag show. After 1 second, star will show in this backdrop stage. Okay viewers, then drag another wait 1 seconds. In this go to random position or glide 1 seconds to random position. You have to select any other you want. I drag go to random position and kept it underneath hide. When you zoom this and drag it in the center script area. Okay viewers, let's go to this. When you click the flag, this is the zoom stage. When you click the flag, you hear the van sound when the octopus touch the star.